First of all, good morning to all of you. My name is Mishra, and here I am discuss about some tips to speak English. And after I want to try to inform you how to make a effective speaker. Then first of all, I introduce how to speak English and how will we try to speak English. There are the first and more important your practice. You know very well then you have to practicing day by day in your speaking is already increasing, and then you have to follow all of the tips which is given by the sir, all of the activity, all of the task which is given by sir. So and here I am discuss about how to become a effective speaker. And then first and foremost important, you have to avoid the monotone. The many of the people when talking each other, when talking when uh, talking any person in English, then he's trying to very a single monotone. His pitch is same, his voice tonation and energy is same, all of the words. So this is incorrect because the many of the word is not the same, and many of the words meaning is not the same. Like you have to join any stage and in and you have to front of audience, then you have to not try to same pitch. And the second is avoid you have to remove your hesitation. Many of the people's problem, the hesitation comes in this stage, and whenever he comes in the stage, then he is very stressful and he's in the registration and he can't speak a single word in this stage. And second and the next step, you have to increase your voice tonation is very important. And the next one, you have to remove your registration also. You how to increase our reflective and pleasing speech to your audience. Then you have to always trying to first you know very well the first impression is the last impression. You have to, when you comes in the stage, then you have to reflect the audience. You have to reflect the audience in a very easily, because in your introduction and when using your introduction and yeah, you have to tell your audience a short story, like your own moments in your life and all expression and all your emotions which is interesting to audience. Then audience observe you very carefully. And next is you have to effective pose. The many of the peoples like to take a long pause in their speech, in their conversation. This is not correct. You have to trying to not a long pause and not a long pause. You have to trying to pause. Then when you have to introduce yourself, then you have to introduce yourself and a short story, like you have to convey your new story to audience. Then all of the things observe, and then you have to follow this instruction. Your audience will be interested you, and many of the things observed by you. So this is my own idea. I hope you understand my instruction, and I hope you followed this instruction. So thank you so much for